Hi, I'm Elvie from Meadowlark Log Homes. Good morning, and there's a lot of noise this morning. I'm going to show you a little update. There's 4 houses being built at the same time. So you'll have to excuse the noise. The first one's the top part of a Montana rancher, the bottom of a Yellowstone Chalet, the bottom main floor of a Meadowlark Chalet, and a custom. Let's have a look. This first house right in front of me is the top part of a Montana rancher. If you could hear me, that's the Montana rancher. They're a little bit more quiet. So Montana rancher right here. That's the top part that fits on the main part that's already been done. So this would be the porch area of the front entry of the Montana rancher into this area here. Covered porch. Okay, next, this is a Meadowlark Chalet like our office. On the website, this is 32 by 48. The floor plans are similar to the office, but I believe they might be mirrored, flipped from left to right. So the loft above me here, master bedroom, bath areas back here, great room areas in the front, and our standard timber stairway. Let's go up and have a look. So now that the noise has subsided, I'll say again, Montana rancher, top part, Yellowstone Chalet where I'm pointing right there, main floor, and again, where I'm at is the Meadowlark Chalet. These are standard log loft joists. These carry the loft frame joists that go across for the loft floor. And of course, from underneath you see those beams underneath. And all this is, of course, done by hand with draw knives, other tools, and chainsaws. We just got done with a Meadowlark Chalet in Sandpoint, Idaho. I've got to get some video of that, but the on-site is just completed. See these nice logs coming out over here? That's for a nice, looks like about a 7-foot overhang. I'm not sure exactly how long, but that is an overhang for the front roof cover over the front deck that will be here. I am not sure what Wayne's doing here with that log on a sling. But he's up doing something. So Yellowstone Chalet here. They're building the porch out there, the covered porch. Hey, Eric. Oh, looking mighty fine. Got 4 of them going at the same time. Yes, you do. Looking nice. This one does not yet have the loft joists in it. All right, out here we got a custom log house under the tower crane. Here are some logs prepared, and these logs actually go into these houses here. These are just sitting here prepared, and they've been milled and peeled. Joists, purlins, roof materials for these houses over here. Same with this group of logs here. They've been peeled, prepared, milled, all by those boys over there. This is a peeling shed, and beyond sawmill, and beyond their sawmill, log yard. Everything out there cuts the logs, mills the logs, hand peels the logs, and move them over into these different piles here, here, and here for specialty logs that go into all the components that make up the handcrafted log house. Everyone has a special flat on them, flat surface, or a combination of surfaces for the variety of needs. They're not working on this one today, or at least not right this minute. Isn't that tower crane beautiful? I'm so happy to have that tower crane. We built one house with it this summer. This is the second project for this tower crane. And I'm sorry I can't give you the dimensions of this house because I don't know what it is. It's our neighbors, Curtis, and she's going to watch the video, and I'm going to have to apologize because I can't remember her name. They are moving to a building location right about where my finger is at, right up in that hill. There's a 1.5 acre that they bought, and we're building it for them. That's exciting. They're very nice people from Las Vegas. And Curtis, and isn't that terrible? But we'll get more videos of them as we build the house and right here in the neighborhood. They're excited to get to live here, be our neighbors, and we're really excited to build them this house. So I'll have to come back and get some updates of this one as it goes up and as we build it on their site, get their names correct on this video. So my apologies to when she watches the video. I met them just like one time at the auction. That one there, I don't know the model, but let's walk inside. It might be custom, but whatever it is, I have a feeling this one here needs to go on the website, needs to have its own floor plan. It's a good looking, it has a good feel to it. It's got some windows out the front there. I'd be curious to know the floor plan, so that'll have to come on a later update. Well, I want to just give you guys all an update of the 4 houses going to get at the same time right now here at Meadowlark. We've got one out there to go to Colorado that's ready to ship to central Colorado near Fairplay. We'll be putting that up in before the snow flies, hopefully. So that's an entire house. That is a Swiss chalet, I believe. And then there's a Montana rancher out there and another house over here. I'm not sure what that was. We have 3 houses ready to ship right now. And these all have to be built before the snow flies, hopefully. So the crews on site will have a lot of work ahead of themselves to build all these houses. So, well, there's another one right there. I'm not sure what that one is. But those white packages are houses ready to ship out. 4 days later, I'm here at this Montana rancher, and they are taking it apart. Now, taking it apart means Tyler is drilling for rebar that drops into these little holes right here. Right here. A piece of rebar steel goes into the next log. And that's what Tyler is doing right there. He's drilling for that. So all the rebar gets drilled, and they've marked these ledges where the flats, they have to peel those off so it matches the log. They got to trim this area here, trim this here, and over there they're trimming it. This is being trimmed and rounded off to these marks, like right here, so it matches the log above it. So every log has to be trimmed. We call that peeling ledges, peeling the ledges. And then this is the log that was angled for the roof gable, the pitch of the roof. So these are all being put here so they can be peeled and packaged. Over here, Wayne is packaging the purlins. So this is how they bundle them together. This is to create space so we can get a forklift underneath them to load them on trucks, unload them off the trucks, move them around the job site. A little bit of protection from the sun and the rain, but you don't want the ends covered. You want them to be able to breathe. So there's a package ready to go on a truck. There you go. All right, so let's walk around the Montana rancher. And by the way, this Montana rancher is a very popular choice with Meadowlark customers because it's exactly the same as the Meadowlark rancher, but the Montana has that great room, valley, and gable log work in the front of it. So like the center has this front sunburst going out over the porch, and that makes it nice and spacious and beautiful. Okay, that's going to be packaged, done, and shipped out. And right now I can't remember where that one's going. Let me ask someone. Hey, Eric, where is that Montana rancher being delivered to? Do you know where that's going? He's asking him where it's going. Where is this Montana rancher going? Idaho. This is going to Idaho. What part of Idaho? Eric, ask him. Oh, this is Lucas. Yeah, this is Lucas. Yeah, okay. I was at that building site. Yeah, this goes to Teton, Idaho. There you go. All right, Idaho. Those boys were talking to each other on the radios. So they don't have to yell at each other like I do. They use a radio. So this is almost completed, ready to go apart. This is the Yellowstone Chalet. This goes down in the Swan Valley of Montana, a couple hours from our place. So Yellowstone Chalet, it looks to me like they've got the stair either done and taking it apart, or they're making, they're still making it, yeah. So they're building the stair because they will have stair treads fastened on all of these parts, and it'll be taken apart and reinstalled as one piece. Well, two piece. You got the bottom part is together, and then the landing and the top part, like three pieces. Okay, let's check this out. Here someone's trying to draw a line, and you can guess what that is, to cut the archway with a chainsaw. Now somebody needs to do a little bit of erasing. Looks like they got their correct line right there. Anyhow, they're trying to draw a round line on these round logs. It's tricky. Imagine doing that on a round log and then cutting that with a chainsaw. I bet most of you guys couldn't do that. So this is the loft floor above me. These are the log joists. I don't think those were in last Monday when I first took the first video. And these are the log joists here. So we have this full loft here and out over this part. The only part of this house that is great room vaulted ceiling in the main floor is this goes to the ceiling here. And then all of the loft floor is vaulted open ceiling cathedral up to the roof. So the roof system is built separately. When this is taken apart, built separately. And lots of firewood for the winter. I need that at my house. Okay, that's the Yellowstone Chalet. And over here, we've got the Meadowlark Chalet. On Monday, this was completed. The bottom floor was done, and now it's being dismantled. Now here you can see how they've cut this log arch out already. Somebody followed that line with a chainsaw. And over here, if you bring the camera over here, you can see the red line that they're going to align just like this. They're going to make it right there. And they'll cut that out with a chainsaw. So I'm standing in the great room area, and the master bath bedroom is back in there. And this building is being taken apart right now. And I don't know where the crew is at because maybe they went to lunch, but this is being taken apart. And here are a bunch of pieces that came off the porch, the gabled porch of the Meadowlark Chalet. I said this in the first video, that is the same as our office, Meadowlark Log Homes office. And so that's about it for today. The house out here has not been worked on yet since Monday. It's still sitting there. Nothing has changed on that house out by the tower crane. So that's about it for today. Montana Rancher being dismantled, completed, completely done. And the Yellowstone Chalet main floor almost done. The Meadowlark Chalet main floor being dismantled. Thank you so much for watching.